The best time to feed ourselves and feed our family is right now. Join us in this set of lessons which are simple, easy to understand, easy to do. It's going to be a wonderful, wonderful journey to do together. Come join us via this online course to Kibbutz Lotan in Israel, one of the most extreme deserts in the world, to learn about how to grow your own vegetables. It doesn't matter where you live. We have the experience and the knowledge to help you make it simple, make it easy to do, make it fun, and you'll be eating your own nutritious organic vegetables. That is the medicine for the soul. Every person, every family, we should have the confidence to do this. We're going to give you that confidence, and we're going to support you every step of the way. Come join us today.